पहलगाम वाक़े पर चीनी तजजिया कार ने भी गोदी मीडिया को आईना दिखा दिया। विक्टर गांव ने दहशतगर्द वाक़े पर किसी भी मुल्क को जिम्मेदार ठहराने से कबल जामिया तहकीकात और सबूत सामने लाने का पैगाम दिया है। पाक चीन दोस्ती चट्टान जैसी मजबूत है। दुनिया की कोई ताकत दहाइयों पुरानी दोस्ती में दरार नहीं डाल सकती। चीनी तजजिया कार डॉक्टर गांव ने भारती चैनल पर जुनूनी जनरल बख्शी की बोलती भी बंद कर दी।
Whenever there is a terrorist attack, you cannot just jump the gun and jump to the conclusion that accusing a certain other country as sponsoring the terrorist attack. Let's deal with the terrorist attacks as they are and get to the bottom of that by exhausting all investigation and inquiry. China-Pakistani friendship and cooperation are established on solid rocks. It will never be shaken by any force in the world. Such brotherhood and sisterhood did not just start in May 2025. It started quite a few decades ago. The Pakistani side and the Chinese side jointly produced the military planes, and the Pakistani side has the full benefit of all the military advances that China has made over the decades. So, don't pretend to be surprised if China and Pakistan closely cooperate in defending the legitimate of Pakistan, in defending its sovereignty and territorial integrity.